You trembled like you see a ghost, and I gave in. I like the things you need the most. You said, where have you been? You wasted all that sweetness to run and hide. I wonder why. I remind you of the days you poured your heart into, but you never tried. I've fallen from grace, took a blow to my face. I've loved and I've lost, I've loved and I've lost. Explosions on the day you wake up needing somebody and you've learned it's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. And as the flies move in and your body starts to sink, eyes the last thing on your mind. I know you better than you think, 'cause it's simple, darling. I gave you a warning. Now everything you own is falling from the sky in pieces, to watch them fall with you in slow motion. I pray that you'll find peace of mind, and I'll find you.